So far in this series, we've taught you skills like how to start a fire, how to drive off-road, how to use a map and compass, and we've shown you the gear that you need to stay comfortable outdoors. What's the logical conclusion of all that knowledge? Freedom. The freedom to come out and camp on any one of America's 658 million acres of public land. Let me show you the night I'm about to have, and hopefully you can come do this yourself too. Got a camp table, got my stove, got my pots and pans. I got a comfortable chair, got a portable fire pit so I can leave no trace with that firewood. I've got a saw so I can process that firewood. Over here, I got my favorite car camping tent of all time. This is the Nemo Wagon Top 4P. 6.5 feet tall inside so I can stand up and change. It's really nice. This is the optional garage that goes in the front. If the weather gets bad, it gets too sunny, it gets too rainy, I can sit inside, I can cook inside, I can read inside. Great addition. Over here, got some camp essentials. Never forget your sunscreen. Never forget your baby wipes. You want a clean butt when you camp. Camp box full of stuff like lanterns and pots and pans and dishes and forks and spoons and all that kind of stuff. Thermocell keeps the mosquitoes off. Bluetooth speaker for Leonard Skinner. Portable batteries, the Jackery 500. If you want to plug it into the end of this, your phone, your speaker, your camera, anything like that, you need one of these. Now I want you to look at my feet. Notice something? I'm wearing shoes inside the tent. How am I doing that without tearing this thing up? I brought a tent floor. These are just moving blankets from Harbor Freight. They cost 10 bucks. Makes the tent warmer, more durable, easier to clean. Good idea. This here thing is 2 extra wide Nemo Roamer pads with a double luxury Nemo Jazz sleeping bag on top. I brought an extra blanket. Patagonia Micro Puff blanket, super handy. There's a lot of privacy in here. The windows are way at the top, so you can leave them open for ventilation. And you can still be in here naked without your neighbors seeing you. That's if you're camping around other people, which is a fun thing to do. Now, enjoying a place like this one comes with some rules. Called them shared responsibilities, so all of us can continue to enjoy these places into the future. First, you need to be at least 1 mile from any designated campground, trailhead, or recreation area. You need to be at least 100 feet away from a water source. You need to be within 150 feet of a road or trail, and you can't drive off that road or trail. Fire. If you want to have a fire, you need to find either an existing fire ring or bring your own portable fire pit. I prefer this option because it leaves no trace, leaves no scar on the ground. Before you leave, check with the relevant land management agency, the National Forest or the Bureau of Land Management or whatever it happens to be, and check the fire regulations. There could be a ban on the season due to wildfire conditions. Poop. Do it at least 100 feet away from any water source. Dig a hole in the ground first that's about 6 inches deep, no shallower, no deeper. The top level of soil is where the bacteria is that breaks down that waste. Or pack everything out with you. The only thing you can leave behind legally is human waste, but consider taking it with you in a trash bag, including your toilet paper, including your baby wipes. Those are the rules. When I say freedom, I mean it. You can come out here and do what you want. How do you find a place like this? A map. I prefer to use an app on my phone called OnX Off-Road. Makes it really easy to find public lands. If you want to do this too, all you need are the skills we've taught you so far in this series. Whatever camping gear you like best, I recommend this stuff. I like being comfortable. Follow the rules, be careful, leave no trace, and that's it.